Angie, and I'm coming here really, really, really quick. You guys are probably all sick of me by now, but I did have a question really quick in my comments, and I was like, hey, I have all that stuff. I have used it, but I have never used it to do what I taught you guys how to do. So I thought I would dig all that stuff out really quick because it's right here at my reach, or else I wouldn't have done this. So somebody asked me, can you use like the when you go get your nails done, the UV resin they put on your nails? And so this is that. So we're gonna try it. This is the brand I have. I've had this for like, I don't know, 2 or 3 years. So I would use, sometimes I use this just to you know, when you get your gel polish, sometimes I do my nails with this, but a lot of the times I'll just, you know, varnish something and then hit it with the light. And but I've never done it this way. I have used this also just to put a coat on there to seal something. So this is really good. That's this brand right here. I went ahead and did these two, and these two were made with using this. So I didn't, like I said, this is gonna be super, super, super quick. So I'm gonna show you the results of this, and then I'm gonna do the UV like was asked. So this does work. It doesn't give you that thickness like a UV resin would. The UV resin kind of, you know, gives you more of that thickness. You could also use, I've used glossy accents. You're just gonna get kind of like a little bowl effect, but that also will dome up as well. So that's really great stuff. I do have this stuff. I got this at Hobby Lobby. This is in a jewelry aisle. I'm not sure if they still sell this, but that is a UV resin as well. But instead of digging out my earrings because they're put away right now, I told you guys I use this wire like crazy. All I do is, here, it's kind of dusty, so I'm gonna get a chunk off of here. All I do is get my wire, and it is very self-explanatory. I kind of find the circle that I'm looking for, and I don't really like, I like mine to be not so symmetrical. Like sometimes, like this one's okay, but it's still kind of whimsical. So that's kind of a tighter one. This one's a little bit in the middle. This is looser. See how it's kind of up here, and I just cut around it. And then this one, you know, you're just gonna find a circle that will fit what you're trying to frame. Make sure it's glued down onto your piece. So like this one's pretty glued down, so the resin wouldn't seep out of that much. I've just had this on hand. I found it like really quick. This is one of my favorite glues, so I just went ahead and used this one, and it worked great. So I prepped this one for you guys just so we can get this going really quick. So like I said, I just wanted to put a circle, and I put this stuff on the back, and then I just glued it down, put the polish on this stuff, let it dry, and then cut around it. So you're not going to cut it out beforehand. You just let it dry. So on this one, I did go ahead and put a coat on this because I just wanted to see what it would look like. So it's still the same kind of concept. You don't have to do that. I just did it. Anyways, you get less of this product than you would, obviously, UV resin. So, but if you have it and you're not using it for your nails, your gels, then I don't, you know, go ahead, use what you have. And I might go over a little bit of the wire here. It'll just help keep that wire down anyways, so why not? I'm gonna go over these dudes. This one is a smelly resin though, so I just popped my window open really quick. And I'm just gonna go ahead and paint this in some of these little holes here. And then we're gonna hit it with the light. And I'm just doing this because somebody asked. And you're gonna have to kind of move it around to make sure you at least get the center, and you want to pull it up to the edge of the metal here. And it's not gonna dry on you guys, because it needs the light to cure. And that's what I meant, not dry, cure. It needs that to cure, so you're okay. So we're gonna hit it with the UV lamp or light. Where'd that go? Okay, here it is. All right, and I kind of left a little tail on here. I might cut that off, I might not, I don't know. But here we go. And like I said, I hit it from all angles, and you'll feel it get really hot. And then I put it underneath like I showed you. Like I said, I knew this would probably work, but it's just you don't get very much in these little tiny bottles, you know? But like I said, if you have it and you want to use it up and you're not using it for your gel polish, then heck yeah. I initially bought this for gel polish, which I do now and then. But it's been a couple of years and I thought, well, might as well give this a try, and why not? So, and you want to leave this on for at least a good couple minutes, you guys. The longer the better. And you don't, sometimes I don't want to touch it because I don't want to put any kind of fingerprint on it. So, and then after it's cured, I will cut it out. So it's pretty cured. I feel like it's good now. I'll probably let it cure just a little bit more, but we're not going to sit. I might fast forward that. Anyway, so you're just going to cut the rest. And I'm not sure, sorry, if I was just going to cut the rest if I wasn't in frame. And you can style this however you want, I didn't take the time to make a little hoop on the bottom to wire wrap it. These are going to probably just be like plain. We'll tuck that wire, piece of that down there. But yeah, it's pretty cool, guys. So, oh gosh. Anyway, so that is with UV gel polish. So that's this result with this. Okay, I'll leave that there for a second. And then these guys, they're really nice, honestly. I mean, this is just as good with this. So that's the result you get with that. But anyways, yeah, so all right, guys. Well, thanks for the one who commented. You had my mind going, and as I was picking up here and gathering my things, I looked up and I said, you know what, I'm going to try that real quick. So yeah, these are a lot of fun. Like I said, I love wire. I do a lot of things with wire. If you go back to my playlist and look at my all my journals that I've made, you'll see some kind of wire in there. So anyways, just thin paddle wire, rusted in some rusting. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this quick little quick experiment tutorial, whatever you want to call it. Thank you for everything, you guys, all the nice comments. I truly appreciate it. Your support means the world, and have a good day. Bye-bye.